What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of Huawei Watch Fit, a smartwatch where we will talk about all of its features, specs, pros and cons. So let's start it. The 1.64-inch AMOLED screen is gorgeous as it provides 326 ppi. This is Huawei's first smartwatch with a rectangular dial. It weighs just 21 grams without a strap, quite thin and got very minimalistic look. So you will be able to wear Huawei Watch Fit 24/7 without feeling any discomfort. It looks beautiful, premium and very gorgeous from every angle. It comes with 12 different animated workout courses that works as your personal trainer. Then we got 13 different running courses that you can use to improve your running skill and cardiovascular performance. And then we got 96 different kinds of workout that you can use on the Huawei Watch Fit to get the exact data related to your fitness and physical activities. It provides detailed information regarding your physical activities and workout. So if you are looking forward to buy a smartwatch for the workout physical activities, then Huawei Watch Fit is one of the best option for you available in the market. With moderate usage, it can survive as long as 10 days. During the review period, with my heavy usage, it survived 5 days easily when all of the sensors were turned on 24/7 and I performed 1 hour of workout every single day. It comes with fast charging capability, and even with just 5 minutes of charging, it can last as long as a day. So if you are looking for a smartwatch with great battery life and fast battery charging capability, then you should buy the Huawei Watch Fit. It comes with heart rate sensor, stress monitoring, other than the 24/7 heart rate monitoring and the blood oxygen saturation detection. It also comes with Huawei's True sleep tracking technology that monitors your amount of sleep and provides detailed information regarding your sleeping pattern on Huawei Health application and how you can improve your sleep at night. Other than these hardware and sensors based health monitoring, it also comes with breathing exercises that you can use to calm yourself. The health monitoring on Huawei Watch Fit is of top quality and it provides lots of detailed information regarding your health and fitness levels. It comes with lots of watch faces that you can use on the home screen of Huawei Watch Fit. You can even use your own images as wallpaper on the Huawei Watch Fit watch face. The watch faces are very informative and you can access many different cards right from your watch face home screen to get all the needed data at the quick glance without even going to the menu. Inside the menu you will find the useful and productivity apps like a stopwatch, timer, alarm. You can even use your Huawei Watch Fit as a flashlight. You can use it to locate your smartphone, and you can also use your Huawei Watch Fit as a remote shutter to your smartphone camera. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.